Hello, my name is Emily, and today I'm going to be discussing what I believe to be is the worst type of mass wasting. I personally believe that debris flow is the most dangerous kind of mass wasting due to their high speeds and high vitality rate. A study done by Casey Dowling from Springer Link said from 1950 to 2011 there were 70,777 fatalities. And the USGS reports that debris flows can move from 20 to 40 miles per hour, or even faster, such as 50 miles per hour in really steep areas. Now, this video I'm about to show you is from California in 2003, after some wildfires in some mountainous regions near a pass, and there were some heavy rain flows that washed away and made the ground looser, and that's why this debris flow happened. And so you can see it starts out relatively small and slow, and then you see here it gets bigger, it spreads more, it's faster, and it's starting to carry things with it. And that's why I believe it's dangerous, because debris flows can just pile on top and take cars with them, and trees and strong other things, and it just gets more powerful and can kill lots of people. So Readygov had some things to say about what you should do before, during, and after a landslide. So before, you should make an emergency kit, have an evacuation plan, and sign up for some type of local warning system. And my personal favorite, don't live near steep slopes or mountain edges. I have one of these emergency radios that has multiple sources of energy, such as a hand crank, the solar panel, and then you can plug it into a USB over here, and it has a flashlight and an emergency radio. During the landslide, you should avoid trying to cross, like this car here, if the water's high in the road, you probably should not be driving in it. You should stay awake and alert during landslides in case you need to evacuate and you need to move, and you need to avoid low-lying areas. Afterwards, you should stay away from the slide area in case there's something else falls or there's a flood or something. And you need to report if there are any people you find trapped. You shouldn't try to help them. You should get emergency services to do that. These are my references.